In this video, I want to talk about, is Temu legit? Now, Temu is completely legit and you can safely buy from Temu. Just keep in mind, many of the products sold are either sourced from China or there will be a super long waiting time for when it arrives. So these are just some things to keep in mind. Now, whenever you find an item and you go check the item out, what you can do is you can see where it's from. So if you scroll down, you will be able to see who makes it, and you can see everything about them if you go on their information. So you can see here, this is the address, and obviously this is in China. So most of these products will be from China, and you can also see this. The shipping time is really long, but the items will be super cheap. So definitely it is legit. Just keep in mind that some of the products might not be the best quality, but you can safely use this, and there are millions of people using Temu daily. So that's about it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.